Alright, so it helps to have the right stabilizers. With Cherry PCB mount stabilizers, you'll have two pieces, two housings, and then two inserts, and then a wire for each piece. So you take the housing, and upside down you want to insert one of the sliders. Now, it might be hard to see this on the camera, but there's a little notch in the corner, and that lines up with the slider, so you'll know you have it in the right way. Then you take the other side and you put in the insert, again lining up the notches, the notch with the cutout. Now we need to insert the wire. So looking at this part right here is going to be where the wire clips in. So from the front side, with the insert about level, insert the wire into it. It should go into the insert. There's a hole that lines up on the insert. So once you're in that hole, then you want to click the wire into place. And you should be able to turn it and see it slide in and out. And then you just repeat those steps on the other side. And then once you have an assembly put together, I'm going to go ahead and do the other one real quick. So now both assemblies are put together. With the wire facing forward, you'll insert. You want to slide these pieces back all the way in and then press the back down. And they should go in and sit nice and flush on the PCB. I mean on the plate. A little hard to see with the black plate, but it's nice and flat. So pretty easy to install. We'll do the other one. Put the front in, slide it into the notches, press down the backs. That's it. That's all there is to the install of those. Now we can take our switches and we can reinstall them. Let's pop right back into place. We can see our pins both came through. Once we're up to temperature, And go ahead and solder the switches back in. And with our switches soldered in, we are complete. We can place keycaps on the stabilized keys. Stabilizer works as it's supposed to.